Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about Hyper-V Snapshot. Now, this is very cool thing of Hyper-V, and let me show what the Hyper-V Snapshot do. Basically, this is Hyper Virtual Machine, and we basically use virtual machine for practical basis, for testing purposes, and not for the physical reasons. So if you are testing, if you are doing practicals, it means many time your practicals may go wrong or something won't work. These things happen all the time with anyone who are testing too much in virtual machine, we're working too much in the virtual machine, because whenever something will work, you won't start installing and tweaking your physical machine, go the DVD and not like that. But virtual machine is the best suitable way to practice, to give a practical knowledge on it, to just give a push. Now, for example, this is Snapshot. There is option there, Snapshot at the top. I just want to press it and I just refresh OS, and yes, you can see in the lower end, you can see snapshotting in the tab, one of the tabs there, and the virtual is snapshotting, means creating a snapshot. Currently my operating system have 0 rows installed, no features installed, means a fresh operating system. You can see front or fresh OS, nothing is running. Okay, let me install one row or a feature, whatever it wants to give. Currently it's fresh operating system and nothing is installed. So if, for example, we need to add rows, let me add a rows next. For example, I want to add print services, printer server, just installing the server row. So taking some time. And we're just going to install. Okay, installation is done. So just closing the machine. This is closing this for start. Installation is done now. And okay, so now if I want print services, now I want a row or worst work in print services in the near future, I'm going to create another snapshot, for example, print server. So the snapshotting is created. Now my operating system have a print server. For example, for some reason, if I need a print server in the near future, then I'm gonna use this print server. Now another words I'm going to create, for example, next, and I'm going to create add rows, IIS server this time, next, install. Okay, this is done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another snapshot, and this is for the IIS row, web server. Yes. So I'm closing this, and now I have 3 snapshots. One is for fresh OS, one is for print server, one is for web server. 3 snapshots are there, and now for every user that requires these roles, or you can even revert. Now I just create, for example, I require a fresh OS again. I just goes to fresh OS and apply. So I'm going to apply. So it's giving me uh, a notice there. So as soon as I apply, my machine will go through fresh OS, means now after installing print server, web server, I regain my position. I'm back to the position where fresh operating system was available. There was no role. You can see print server and web server. For example, was to go through web server, going apply. So whatever I install in the fresh server will be lost. And now until unless you didn't create a snapshot, it will be lost. Everything will be lost. Entire thing will be lost. And now you can see as soon as I go to web server, I have now not only print services but also web server, because after print server I install web server. Now I need to create a practical on print server. Then I just tap on going to apply, and I will be on the print server mode. So only one role, you can see only one role installed and one feature installed regarding print servers. So this is what the snapshot is all about. You just need to create a snapshot and just go through it. Just select that snapshot and you will get the option. You can even revert the operating system there in the top. Better is to just go to snapshot and right click on the snapshots and apply. Right click and apply, so that very easily we will able to jump up uh, the snapshot you require. For example, one snapshot of web server wants to do a practical web server, jump up on a web server. You will need to, you not even requires to install because it already installed. You created a snapshot.